Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming power and cables because many issues are connection related. You should check the monitor's power LED and any external speaker switch. Next, inspect the cable. HDMI and USB-C can carry audio, while DisplayPort usually does too. 3. 5mm requires a separate audio jack. Once done, make sure the monitor's input matches the cable you used, using the on-screen menu. This prevents mismatched inputs and saves time before deeper troubleshooting. Now set the monitor as the default playback device so sound is routed correctly. On Windows, open Sound Settings. On Mac OS, use Sound Preferences. If the monitor doesn't appear, update display and audio drivers. Driver conflicts often block audio. Reinstalling the graphics driver can restore HDMI/DisplayPort audio support. Also inspect volume sliders and mute states, including the application you're using. Doing these steps fixes routing and software-level blocks that simple cable checks won't resolve. Finish by isolating hardware. Swap the cable, use a different port, or connect your monitor to another computer to identify where the problem lies. If the monitor's menu offers a factory reset, perform it. This clears configuration glitches. Check for monitor firmware updates that fix audio bugs. If still silent, attach external speakers or a USB DAC as a reliable workaround. If that works, the monitor's internal audio may be defective. Contact support or consider repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.